You're too late. The convoy's next stop is the fishery. The pirates are moving Oliver to a chopper there.
I've got to get a vantage point before that exchange happens. That ledge looks perfect. Where's Oliver? I better wait until I see him. There he is. Leave him alone, assholes. Can't let them put Ollie in the chopper. Run, Ollie, come on! Keep moving! Ollie, steal the boat! Oliver, here!
Hey! Thanks for saving me. Hey, nice tats, man.
Ollie, let's get out of here! Boat! Keep the boat straight!
I'm trying.
Faster!
We're getting away.
Keep the boat straight!
I'm trying.
Faster!
getting away! Joe, truck on the bridge! Boat! Trucks coming up on the road! Where? Wherever, shoot them! Dude, helicopter! Chopper! Are you fucking kidding me? On it! It's going down! No! We did it. You saved me. And they're putting the screws to my dad. He was about to give them a ton of money.
Ollie, you would have been sold right into slavery afterward, even if he'd paid.
Oh, shit. Man, this is some heavy shit, man! I don't know if I can deal with this.
I know you, Ollie. You're stronger than you think. Come with me. I have someplace safe to hide you.
Lisa, Daisy! I found all of them.
Ollie!
Hey, girls! Oh, it's good to be back.
So glad you're okay.
Oh, I'm as high as a kite and the greenhouse is on fire.
What kind of a place is this?
Wow, this has got quite a kick. Does anyone want to have a puff before I put it out?
I'm in. Hey, I'll be with you in a second. This place is like heaven.
Hey, Jason, when you have a sec, can you come over here? I have something to show you. I got something to show you, too. Come on. Hey. I'm building a cross for Grant.
Thanks. Haven't really had time.
We have to talk.
We will. Just not now. I need to find Riley. If anything happens to that kid...
I miss you. Okay? And you're carrying all these weapons, and you have all these weird tattoos. I'm not saying you shouldn't go rescue them. I'm just worried it's affecting you.
Lisa, don't worry. I'm taking control of my life for the first time.
I know, you're
That's
right.
a good
You've
thing.
been working really hard on that, and I have a studio job waiting for you. I helped Steve.
Oh, look, I don't want to talk about your exes right now. All right, this is my path. I've got to find it on my own.
Okay. Okay. I get it. You're stressed out. We can meet up later. I love you. Now go. Before I try and stop you again. You better find the others.
Willis, is that you?
Jason, I zeroed in on your friend Keith Ramsey. A hitman who works for Hoyt purchased him. He's usually at the bar in the shanty town.
What's the guy's name?
Buck.
So his name is Buck, and he lacks the...
Liger has cut his strings. Better to be at a toaster. Oh wait, toaster, taster. Who got my toaster? Who got my toaster?
You can have a lot of fun, I can tell. Aye. You want some company?
God damn it. Don't get ahead of yourself. We'll take care of one problem at a time. It might rain soon. The season isn't completely done yet. So what's the plan?
You're Buck.
Well, it's not my birthday. She must be Christmas.
I'm here for my friend, Keith.
Ah, sorry, it doesn't ring a bell.
You bought him from Hoyt.
Ah, him. He said his name was...
You're hysterical.
All right, then. Let's get down to brass tacks. You must be Jason Brody.
Look, I just want Keith.
Jason. We're not all savages here. We're just businessmen, responsible capitalists. I've got something that you want, right? That's a product. You've got something that I want.
And what the hell is that?
Temper, Jace. Be careful. If you do me in, you'll never get him back. Find this for me. You score that, and you and I are even, Stephen. Keith goes with you.
Bring me what has been lost.
I've seen this knife before.
Knife? What a knife? It's not just a fucking knife. It's art. All history in this and you and Keith's 4 arches squeezed together. That's my fucking fee, right?
Where is it?
It's treasure hunter. He knew where it was. Farsi got the wanker's boat, research he was doing on some Chinese treasure, and his crew. Do you know what else he got?
The knife?
No, not a fucking knife. Its location. Mm-hmm. You want Keith back? Get on the goddamn boat, find out where the artifact's buried before someone else nicks it. I'm on your bike. Fuck off.
Come on, I need that research.
How long we gonna stay here? Until they find the knife and the data from that computer in the vault.
Gotta get on that computer.
What the fuck is that smell? Oh my god! Definitely had that. What keeps doing that? He's got nowhere to hide. Don't let me die.
I bet the location of that knife's on this computer. Here it is. That compass must be important. Maybe it'll lead to the knife. Hurry up, you piece of crap! Are you kidding me? It's not gonna hold.
Rise and shine. Come on. No, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, mate. Now get the fuck up! Come on! There you go. You find my prize yet?
It wasn't on the boat.
Oh, Jason. Keith is going to be very disappointed. He looked uncomfortable last I saw him.
Why are you telling me this?
Entertainment, my dear, entertainment. Did you happen to find a compass? Excellent, very good. Now, research says follow the compass.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Now, you can handle being on your own, Sim. Keith needs me. All right? Toodles.